Have you ever wondered why only driverless, empty trains are allowed through Australia's fences? An intriguing query indeed, one that has sparked curiosity and speculation from all corners of the globe. Australia, a land of unique landscapes and abundant resources, has long been a subject of mystery, and this is yet another peculiar phenomenon to add to its list of enigmas. Why is it that only empty, unmanned trains are authorized to traverse through the fences that dot the Australian outback? Some claim it's due to the potential hazards hiding behind these fences, tales of ancient cities decimated by nuclear catastrophe in the 19th century, or perhaps the harsh, unyielding conditions of the Pilbara region. Others argue it's a consequence of the relentless march of technology, as large mining companies like RioTinto employ robotic technology for resource extraction. Today, we will delve deep into the theories and facts surrounding this captivating mystery. There are numerous theories and speculations surrounding this mystery. A popular notion among researchers and historians is that the areas cordoned off by these fences could house the remnants of ancient cities, destroyed in a nuclear catastrophe during the 19th century. If this theory holds true, it would certainly provide a plausible reason for the stringent restrictions, as these regions could be teeming with dangerously high levels of radiation. Now let's switch gears and talk about the role of technology in this tale. RioTinto, one of the world's largest mining companies, has been proactive in employing robotic technology for resource extraction in Australia, particularly in the iron ore-rich Pilbara region. The utilization of robots, controlled by artificial intelligence, is justified by the challenging conditions in the region, which are deemed unsuitable for humans. You may wonder why the delivery of ore was singled out for automation. Could it be that the decision was influenced not just by the harsh working conditions, but also by the desire to keep the secrets behind the fences under wraps? Some researchers certainly seem to think so. The theory of nuclear devastation and the presence of high radiation levels, the use of advanced robotic technology due to harsh working conditions, and the speculation that the automation of the ore delivery process might be a means to safeguard hidden secrets. All these elements add different shades of intrigue to our mystery. But these theories only scratch the surface of this fascinating mystery. Interestingly, the mystery doesn't stop at the fences and empty trains. There's more to this enigma than meets the eye. Our story takes a curious turn with the discovery of an old map. This map, unlike any contemporary representation, depicts a large body of water in the very heart of Australia, a water body that no longer exists. This intriguing find has sparked theories, suggesting that the landscape of Australia was once vastly different. Now let's shift gears and consider the automation of the ore delivery process. Why automate a process that could have been managed by human drivers in a controlled environment? The answer may lie in the shadows of the secrets these fences guard. Could it be that the areas behind the fences harbor truths too perilous for human exposure? These findings only add more layers to the mystery of Australia's fences and empty trains. Despite the theories and facts, many questions remain unanswered. We've discussed the intriguing puzzle of Australia's fences, and the peculiar phenomenon of driverless, empty trains. The speculations range from ruins of ancient radiation-infected cities to the daunting conditions of the Pilbara region's iron ore mines. We've delved into the innovative solution of using robotic technology for resource extraction, and the enigmatic old map depicting a long-lost body of water. Yet the fundamental questions persist. What is truly concealed behind these fences? Why is there such rigorous security for these territories? Are these precautions merely for the protection of valuable resources, or is there something more? Is it just about the harsh conditions of the region, or does the mystery go deeper? Perhaps in the future we will get answers to these questions. Until then, the mystery of Australia's fences and empty trains continues to captivate us all.